Hi everybody. This week we're gonna cover scales. First thing that we need to know is that each major scale, they have exact same patterns. For example, the major scale is built off on whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. So these are the relationships between each step. So if we're using that when we have a whole step, so this is A to B, that's a whole step, and B to C, is that a whole step? No, that's a half step. So we need to change that in order to make a whole step. And the next one, we should have a half step, which exactly that's a half step. And we're now onto a whole step. We have a whole, and we have to make a whole here. So how can we change that? We need to add the F sharp to it. And the next part, we need another whole step. So we're gonna add the G sharp to it. And the last part, a half step. So this is your A major scale that we have the F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp in it. So same idea when you have the E flat major, whole, whole, half. So this should be a half step so that you know you have to make this a flat. And this is another whole step. So we're gonna have to make it to this. And the rest of it is all correct. So you know this is the E flat major, which it has the 3 flats. So on top of the 2 sharps, 2 flats that we learned in level 3, we're adding the 3 sharps and 3 flats. So we have the A major here and this E flat major. Another way to determine that is to use the circle of fifth. So each time we add a new sharp into the scale, the interval separating the new scale from the one before is a perfect fifth. So that's where the term circle of fifth come from. So for example, we have the C major, we don't have any sharps. When we go up a perfect fifth, we have a G major, then we have 1 sharp. And then we go up another perfect fifth, we have D major, 2 sharps. And we go up another perfect fifth, we have A major, therefore we have 3 sharps over there. The same thing here, the perfect fifth going down is the same idea. So when we have the C major, we don't have any sharps or flats. Then when we go down a perfect fifth, we have an F major, we have 1 flat over there, and we have going down B flat major, we have 2 flats, and another perfect fifth down, we have E flat major, and we have 3 flats here. So we can then fill this out. So we start on the outer part. You guys can see on the outer part, we have the major keys, okay? So the outer part is you have the major keys, and the inner part, the relative minors, okay? So we have a C major, we have A minor as the relative minor, and you can see there's nothing inside here because we don't have a sharp or flat for the C major. We're gonna go up, circle of fifth, go to a G major, then we have relative minor, which is the 6th note above G major, we have E minor, we have 1 sharp, so on and so forth. And we're gonna fill this out in class, and you can try to fill this out by yourself as well.